Hey y'all, it's what is the date today? It's the 20th, 9/20, 2023. Just going through some things, getting packed up for Pittsburgh. Had to do a little internet work and remembered my buddy Sean Swiss. Sean, how you doing, buddy? Bought me a disc or a card, SanDisk card for my camera. I got to have him look at these cameras this weekend. He said there was a way to change the function of the camera so it'll record more than 15 minutes at a time. 15-minute long gigs are good for practice runs on the go-kart, but the race is 30 minutes long, and you don't want the video busting up into 3 and 4 videos. It's just stupid. I'd rather just have it all one video. I know for uploading, it would take less time, I guess, to upload three small ones instead of one big long one, but whatever, I don't know. I'm just right now doing a test of this card, this 64 gig card that he bought me. I first put it in the GoPro Hero waterproof. This is older than the Hero 3, actually, which is what I'm recording on. I have a Hero 3 white. It has a different lens than the Hero 3 black that is inside of here. The cameras physically look exactly the same as the one I'm recording on. Looks just like this, except where it says Hero 3. The number itself is white on this camera. As you can see, the numeral is black on this camera, and it has a different lens. When you look at them side by side, you can tell that this one has the big wide fisheye lens, where this one's a little bit better. I'm bummed out that I didn't have this in a case when I first got them off of eBay. I bought both these cameras for, I think they were less than $20 a piece because they're refurbished. And they're old models, but they take good, decent video. I dropped this one right after getting it and chipped the lens there, and that's why there's that dull spot on the lens. I wet sanded it just like I did to this old one here. This isn't the oldest one I have. I have the original GoPro. This one's actually plugs in and you charge the batteries. I have the original analog GoPro, the original wrist mount. It was made as a wrist mount camera. It's not even this thick, and you put AAA batteries in it. It's pretty wild. I still have it, and it still takes decent video. So quite a collection here. Messing around with this card. We're just going to check and see if it recorded and what's going on. We'll bring you more when we get to the track, as we're getting set up, as we're getting things figured out. See how things go. Godspeed, God bless. Hang in there, y'all. I'm going to get back in that one of these days, too. Maybe in October.